Customer brought in an iPad mini. Busted display. It is pretty busted. Anyway, this is before Refurb Kings. Remember, we're located at 1038 East New Circle Road, across the street from Sam's Club, next to Car Stereo Warehouse. You can reach us at 859-233-0754 or on the World Wide Web at www.refurbkings.com. You break it, we fix it. All right. Here it is, iPad. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. That's too many hands. Ready to go. Again, if you need help, if you broke it, we can fix it. Give us a call, 859-233-0754. Again, this is John from Refurb Kings. You can find us on the web at www.refurbkings.com. We're here Monday through Friday, 10 to 7, Saturdays, 11 to 6, closed on Sundays. Again, this is John, Refurb Kings. Peace.